Great. What time is it for you?
Uh, Timing is right now 11 o'clock
In the morning?
in the evening.
In the evening. Oh, okay. So you were
11
sleeping
o'clock.
before this and then you woke
Uh,
up?
can I see you my atmosphere right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. So just a wait, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, just a wait, just a wait. This is my whiteboard. I study
Ah,
whiteboard. I teach children.
hello.
I
Hi, how are you doing? It's good to see you again.
Yeah, I'm also see you again.
Yeah, I'm happy to see you. How are things going for you lately?
Yeah, I'm good. And now, how are you?
Anything new?
Your voice is a little bit slow.
You can hear, let me see.
Let's see.
Now it's now it's
Can you
perfect. You
hear
are
me?
audible. Yeah, you are.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Let
I'm
me see.
hearing you.
Okay. I guess I will just not have these. Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
perfect.
Wonderful. So tell me about like new books that you've been reading. I remember that you really like to read books. What have you been doing?
Yeah, recently I finished. I finished recently. Before I'm waiting for you to talking with you. Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, of
Great.
course.
Well, I'm happy to see you again.
Yeah. What are you doing right now?
I just finished doing some yoga. It's Sunday, so it's a relaxed day.
Yeah, today is the Sunday, so today is also I am free, fully
Mm-hmm.
free. We can say.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. Yes, I'm going to have some friends over for dinner tonight, and I'm going to make
yeah.
lasagna. So I'm very excited to have a day to
Hey,
rest and be with people
your
that I love.
voice is not clear, by the way.
You can't hear me?
Listening, yeah, I'm
Let me leave
hearing you.
the classroom and then enter into the classroom again.
I'm putting a lots of efforts to listening your voice.
Let me leave the classroom. Hold on. Okay, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I'm hearing you,
Okay, that's weird. I don't know what's happening. Okay,
of
good.
course.
Fantastic. Yes. Yeah, what about you? What are you doing today?
I'm whole day I was sleeping, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and I just woke up and talking with you.
Great. What time is it for you?
Uh, Timing is right now 11 o'clock
In the morning?
in the evening.
In the evening. Oh, okay. So what have you been working on with your students?
I recently I finished. I teach children when I was studying,
Yeah,
but today is because today is my holiday. Reason
right.
behind that because today is a Sunday. It is a Sunday today.
Right. Yes.
So
I was thinking that we could work on this lesson plan because it's very much your vibe about living your best life.
living your best life.
Yes. So, what do you think living your best life means in general?
What do you think the living your best life means in general? Best life in a general, best life.
Mhm.
Best life in the sense I can say when you are peace in your life, then I think you
Mhm.
have the best life.
That's your
Without
best life
peace, your
when you're
life
at
is
peace.
not a best. I think you have lots of money, but you have not a peace. I think you are the not a best
Mhm.
life. So peace is the best. I think.
Right. And what do you need in your life to have peace, to live your best life?
What?
So, what do you need in your life to live your best life? What do you need to
What
have peace?
the best life means to you? Living your best life. As a positive person, when I have a positive person, I think this is the best life.
Mhm.
Positive person, I think it's a role of the best life. I think.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, how do you have peace in your life?
When I feel alone, I think this is my one of the best piece.
Mm-hmm.
When I
When you're
engage with
alone,
someone,
really.
yeah, because it's a difficult. It's a not for everyone.
Right.
Because alone is just whenever someone is alone, if he and she became frustrated, oh, I am alone. But when you think in a deeply way, you are alone,
Mm-hmm.
you can do anything, you have a no interrupted person, you
Definitely.
can just the rest of life, you are just a peace, I think you can do anything. Because
Definitely.
when you engage with someone life, you have some, you are not free,
Mm.
you are not
Mm-hmm.
free in a indirect way. I'm not saying a direct way, indirect way you are not free. When you're totally alone, you can free, you can do anything,
Yes.
no
Yeah,
one calling.
definitely.
So this is a psychology factor, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of
So
course.
you prefer living alone?
Yeah, sometimes, definitely.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.